This is the part that we just are loving. Watching the waves come in and crash against the rocks. Right? I know, huh? Skadoosh. Oh, there you go. Right? Oh, there it is. Why do we love the ocean so much? Well, this one over here is kind of neat too. It's kind of hard to see between there, but oh, here we go.